What we're looking at here today is a Casablanca 4-season ceiling fan. This is in polished brass finish. The fan is from 1983. The blades are 17 inch. I believe they are like a dark oak finish or something like that. I forget exactly what they're called. I know they're not walnut. They're not that dark, but they might be cherry. They might be cherry. I don't know. I'm not too good on wood finishes, but they are 36-inch fan blades for this fan here. The fan uses the Slumber Quiet variable speed system, and it is electrically reversible. Thankfully for this fan, the Slumber Quiet still works flawlessly on it. The fan is powered with the Emerson K55 motor. Not much else I can say about it, so let's hop right in and get this thing started. Powering on here, we're set to the slowest speed on the Slumber Quiet system. The pull chain is a 3-way pull chain, which sequences between fan and a light kit if you were to have a light on it. And in this instance here with no light, the fan is just on and off, on and off. These fans are also wired with a separate blue hot wire if you wanted to use a light off of a wall switch or whatever, without having to use the pull chain switch for the fan and light together. What's kind of surprising about this fan here is that the low speed here is as slow as it is. Now, typically these Slumber Quiet systems are just rated for the same, irregardless of what size the fan is. I mean, these things are rated for 52-inch blades, which is exactly what is used on the Zephyr, of course. So 36-inch fan should be fairly fast. I mean, not too fast. They still, have an aesthetic low speed, but it should be a lot faster than this. This is almost what you get from a 52-inch fan, not a 36-inch like this. This fan had 21-inch blades, which would have made it a 48-inch fan. It probably would stall out. So I find that unusual, but it works. Go and turn it up. Very slow low speed like what you've seen is pretty much only good for the winter time when you or just want to stir around the heat from the ceiling. If you want to feel any kind of air movement, you got to have it on a setting like this where you can actually start feeling the air come down. Turn it up a little bit more. This is roughly medium high-ish. And we'll take it too high. Fortunately, the fan has a bit of a wobbling issue, as you can tell. Mostly the root cause of that is the blades are, for some reason, out of balance. Everything else is in good alignment. We're probably doing somewhere around 240 RPM on high here. The fan has a 14-degree blade pitch, so it throws out a pretty decent breeze for its size. Bearings on the fan are still nice and smooth. They just make an ever so slight noise from wear. Yeah, watch this thing coast. And there you have it, folks. There's the 36-inch polished brass Casablanca 4-season ceiling fan from 1983. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And like always, we'll be seeing you next time.